Hey class, it's Mr. Clay. So nice to see you guys again. We're going to do a worksheet here, multiplying two single-digit numbers by the number 2. Okay, follow along as I read the directions with my lightsaber. Touch the touch points on the first numeral as you skip count by 2. After writing the answer, say the problem and answer quietly. Okay, let's skip count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, let's work these numbers out. First, we're going to do 0 times 2. Now we know any number multiplied by 0 is going to be 0. So let's trace the number 0. Now let's move on to the next problem. So we have 1 times the number 2. We're going to skip count by 2's as we touch the touch point on the top number. So the number is 1 and we have 1 touch point. So when we touch it, we say 2. So 1 times 2 equals 2. Let's trace the number 2. Okay, next problem. We have 2 times 2. Let's skip count by 2 as we touch the touch points on the top number. 2, 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. Next problem, we have 3 times 2. Again, let's skip count by 2's and touch the touch points on the top number. So we have 2, 4, 6. So 3 times 2 equals 6. Okay, class, now you're on your own. Let's give it a try and finish the 11 problems here. And then challenge yourself and do the puzzler at the bottom. And that area, you'll need to do your own touch points. Or if you know the answer, just write the answer. And you can do this on a piece of scratch paper and have your parents turn the work into me. Or you can have your parents print it for you. Okay, good luck. We'll see you later. Nice work. We'll see you next time. Bye.